What's up everyone? Jake's Aviation here, and I just want to say it's been a very long time since I've done a video like this where one, I've talked to you guys, and two, model review. So as you know, I am in college and I don't have my mall airport or anything set up anymore. That was a couple of years ago now. But I've still been collecting models from time to time, and I've got quite a lot of models in the past, I want to say 2 years, that I've not done a review of, but I think it's finally time to do a review of some of them, and I've been getting some recently too that I think I should review. So going forward, I'm going to be doing quite a lot of reviews, and it's nice to get back to doing these because I haven't done them for a very long time, and I missed doing them. It was a lot of fun doing model unboxings and model reviews. So that's true. I should say that I'm going to be doing some unboxings as well, because I do have some packages with models in them that I have not opened, and I'll be doing that in the future. But today we're going to be doing the model unboxing and review of this beautiful LL 787-9 by NG Models. Now this was, I want to say, my first NG Models, or at least my first 787 by NG Models. I have a couple other NG Models, but this is the first 787, and I am really excited to have this. First off, because I've seen reviews about NG Models and I've been, following all about them and everything, and I've heard that they are absolutely amazing. So picking up this model, one, it flies to Los Angeles. Hopefully it will in the future when I do set my airport up again. But I did want to grab this for the time being and at least have it in my fleet. I didn't get the retro or the Jerusalem Gold livery just because, or should I say, and the San Francisco Vegas livery, I believe, just because those planes don't always fly into LA, and I'd prefer to just have the regular, normal, standard livery, just because it makes, to me, it's more practical for an airport update. But anyways, so the box is very nice. As I say, NG Malls is new since I stopped collecting and making videos. So seeing a new manufacturer come out with really high quality models from what I've seen on reviews and stuff is really exciting. I'm glad I can kind of collect a couple of these now as I go along. But as you can see, the box is absolutely stunning. It reminds me of a Phoenix model style box, but to me it feels sturdier, and the graphics are crisper and they look better. So yeah, just a little overview of the model in the box. Sorry about the light. But yeah, anyways, so let's go ahead and get this unboxed. I've only opened this once just to check to make sure the model itself was okay. I did that when I actually ordered this model when it came in, but I didn't actually take it out of the packaging. I just kind of looked at it. So wow, this is pretty impressive. I've never seen a model company actually using the foam like that before, so this is new. I did know that NG does do this for some models because I've watched reviews online, but I'm quite impressed. So this is amazing. Wow, very, very nice packaging, I gotta say. I'm impressed. Okay, so have to lift it out. Ooh, they are kind of tough to get out, so I'm gonna try and lift it out via this. Oh, there we go. Okay. Whew. Kind of scared me that it was stuck in there. All right, so wow. Oh wow. First impression, this is incredible, guys. Alright, and wow, that's very nice. Oh, I just realized it's clear plastic on them. Okay. Alright, so let's get this out of here. Let's get the plastic off of it. And everything. And there we have the model. I am thoroughly impressed right off the bat. Wow. This is gorgeous. Okay, so let me clean up the packaging for a second. And then we'll get to the review. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and zoom in here. I'll probably have to remove the model, but... Alright, so... Actually, you know what? I know what I'm going to do. I'm sorry guys, it's been a while since I've done this, so... Forgive me. I am not an expert at doing these model reviews anymore, but I'm going to stick it on top of the box. That's probably the best thing I can do. I'll just move it around. So the detail is absolutely phenomenal. Just looking at it, it is absolutely incredible. Not much to say, just honestly going over it. As you can see, the engines, registration, the wings are very sharp. The tail, I love the details of the antennas and everything. I'm just gonna go ahead and zoom out a little bit and flip it over to just look at the underneath. As you can see, the gear roll, which is really nice. The engines are extremely detailed. I was not expecting that. I don't know if it'll focus, but you can see that that is absolutely amazing. I'm overall really impressed, and this was kind of hard to come by because I was looking for one and I found it on one website, and that was the last place I saw it, so I grabbed it. I don't know if it's available anymore. I will leave a link in the description to where I got it. But yeah, just absolutely amazing models. So I don't know what else to say, honestly, other than if you can find one like on eBay or something, get it. It's absolutely beautiful. And I know a lot of people have been getting the retro or the Jerusalem Gold version, but this standard livery one is incredible. So I do look forward to an airport update in the future, whenever that may be, but I do look forward to using this. So anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate the support on all my plane spotting videos and everything. Those are going to continue, but we're going to get into some model unboxings and reviews from now on, so they're going to be scattered in amongst my spotting videos. But I hope you guys enjoy, and until next time, take care guys. Bye bye.